everyone, it's Miss Allison. Let's take a look at how to use this short story writing checklist so you can give yourself or maybe somebody else some feedback on your story. So if you were at a school that used units of study for your writing curriculum, which I think all of us were, this should be a familiar format, but I want to just remind you of a couple of things. So the directions say use this checklist to make sure your story is complete. Read through each criteria and place an X in either not yet, starting to, or yes category based on the current state of your story. When you are done, go back and revise your story to make sure that each criteria is at least a yes, right? So here we have different categories. There is structure for the or ones that go this way, development and conventions, and then underneath that there are particular categories you're looking for. So like in structure, overall, I not only created a short story with well-developed characters who change, I use the elements of fiction to craft a story that has a deeper meaning. So you're going to ask yourself these questions with your story pulled up right next to it so you can look at both of these. Your goal is to be yes in each category. The even better goal, I would say, is somebody else can look at this and also say yes. Other people give us really good perspective on our stories. So as you're going through, you're going to make sure that these are yeses. If you find one that you're like, it's either a starting to or not yet, that's where you're going to go back and spend some time today, right? You need to make sure that as you're working on this, you have all of these elements taken care of. So we have conflict, theme, symbols, organization. Down here under elaboration, there are 3 different things that you are looking for. And then of course, we're making sure that it looks clean, it has spelling and punctuation that makes sense, and we can read through it. This is on your short story draft, so remember it's going to be sectioned out, but make sure you're having these things accomplished, okay? Hopefully this helps, and good luck.